In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add table view in Trello step by step. If you've been using Trello in the regular board layout and want a more structured, spreadsheet-style way to see your tasks, then table view is going to make your workflow much easier. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enable table view, add it to your board, and start creating cards directly inside the table layout. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Trello guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Once you're there, log into your Trello account using your email and password. If you're already logged in, you'll land directly on your Trello workspace, where you can see all your boards. Next, click on the board where you want to add the table view. This can be any board you're currently working on. Once the board opens, you'll see your usual layout, with lists and cards arranged horizontally across the screen. Now, to add the table view, look at the top section of your board. You'll see an option labeled Board or a View selector at the top. Click on that view option to open the available board views. From the drop-down menu, select Table. This switches you to the Table View preview, where you can see your existing cards organized in rows and columns, similar to a spreadsheet. This layout is especially useful if you want to quickly scan due dates, labels, members, or custom fields in a structured format. Once you click on Table, Trello will give you the option to add this view to your board. Go ahead and click on Add. This officially enables the table view so you can access it anytime from your board. After adding it, you can start creating new items directly inside the table view. Click on Add, and then choose whether you want to create a new card or a new list, depending on what you need. Most of the time, you'll be adding a card, which represents an individual task. Next, type in the name of your card. This could be a task name, project step, assignment, or anything relevant to your workflow. Be clear and specific with your naming so it's easy to identify later. Once you've typed in the card name, click on Add Card. Your new card will instantly appear inside the table view as a new row. From here, you can continue editing it by adding due dates, assigning members, applying labels, or filling in any custom fields you're using. One of the biggest advantages of table view is that you can quickly edit details directly from the table without opening each card individually. This makes it perfect for project managers, content planners, and teams who need a clean overview of everything in one place. And that's it. You've successfully added table view in Trello and created your first card inside the table layout. As you continue using it, you'll notice how much easier it becomes to manage larger projects with lots of tasks. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.